What's up guys, news and reviews here, and today we got an unboxing on the Logik wireless keyboard LK212B, and this is in blue as you can see on the packaging. So we got some stuff here, but there is a sticker in the way. But what I can see so far, you need two AAA batteries, and it's Windows compatible. And then you've got it's wireless, so it's got the USB receiver. And on the back we've got this. Logik wireless keyboard. It's a really nice box actually. It's got a picture of the keyboard there, and here it says that you can use it with Microsoft Windows 7, Vista, and all that. And the AAA. And nothing special on the sides. But now we're gonna go up and unbox this. You take that out, and there's a little hold here, and I think we're just going to take it out. So we just put that to the side. Is there anything in the box? Now there's nothing left in the box, but we end up with this. So we do have the keyboard itself on the front here. Put that to the side. And what we have in here is two AAA batteries. With them to the side, and here we have your manual how to set it up. It's user guide. Put that to the side. But here is the main feature, the keyboard itself. So we're going to take it out of this wrapping. Show you guys. So on the back here we do have the USB receiver, Bluetooth. There isn't any logo on it. It's just plain black, so that will plug into your USB in your laptop or PC. And this is a space here for your batteries, I think. Not going to play around with it yet, but yeah. So we've got on and off switch here, and we've got a connect button here. So I presume that's where you connect it. So it's got all the model number and everything here on the back. And on the front, this is the keyboard itself, which looks really nice, I have to say. It's got a really nice feel to it. Sounds really nice as well. So in the corner here we have Logik. It's quite small as well, so you can fit it in your hands. But yeah, ultra thin as well. Look at that. Let's compare it to the batteries here. The battery is much thicker than that. But I presume the batteries will be going in here. Yeah, there we go, got that out. And I presume we just put them. Is there a space for another one down the end? Oh, so there's a space for the other one down the end, so you can put them both in there, and then put the little guard back over the top and clip it in, and you're ready to go. So that was a quick unboxing on the Logik wireless keyboard LK212B in blue. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and hope you guys watch the next video. See you guys.